Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you need to switch Google accounts on Google Chrome, you're in the right place. I'm going to go through every step. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Chrome. You will see over here on the top right hand side, there is an S. Now that's the first letter of my name for this account. So that is Sam. And what we want to do is click on it. You'll see over here, other Chrome profiles. So you'll see that there's a bunch of Chrome profiles here, and what we want to actually do is just click on it. It'll open it up in a new tab. So let's go and click on Greg. All right, it'll open it up in a new window. My apologies, not a new tab. So a completely new window. So if you go and have a look down over here, we've got that original Chrome window that we opened. This is with the SamIam5655 at Gmail. And if you go down here, you'll see that this is the Greg Smith. That is this account over here. Now, if you are in an app in your Google Chrome account, and let's just say you are in, let's go in here and let's go to Gmail. Now, let's say we're in Gmail and we'd like to just change the Gmail account without having to open up the new account in a new window and then opening up Gmail. You can actually use this larger, and it's just lower, this profile picture. You can click on this, and here you'll be able to see those accounts, and then you can just click on that account, and what will happen is it'll open up the account on this tab, so you don't have to switch accounts. I hope this was helpful.